So today I'm going to show you how I do my quick 10-15 minutes. It depends on how good you are with it. 10 to 15 minutes lazy girl hairstyle. And you probably already know this, you probably don't. But I just want to let you know that you can do it too, because it's an easy hairstyle that I think everyone should know how to do. So we're going to do the pigtail hairstyle, make it more mature than what other people make it look like. We're not going to put too much accessories, no accessories at all. But we're going to make it poppin'. We're going to make it do what it do, but boy. This video is in partnership. I'm just kidding. It's not in partnership, but it will be one day. We're going to be using my Suave volume boosting spray, which locks in moisture, and it's also lightweight, easy to restyle, all that good jazz that it says is on there. So yeah, it's this bottle right here. I also got the shampoo conditioner for like my silk press, and that is something that I actually washed my hair with today, was the shampoo and conditioner. Let me go get it real quick. I got the conditioner as well, which is a Suave silk protein infused conditioner, and then I also got the shampoo as well. The cool thing about this is like you'll be able to tell, unless you're one of those people that don't know how to pay attention to details. You can tell the difference. The shampoo goes up, the the conditioner is face down. Is okay, yeah. So yeah, you'll be able to tell. So I got that, and then for my oil, I have been intrigued on getting started with this product right here. I did a review on them and they sent me the oil as well. I'm going to be greasing my scalp with, I'll be using the Manna Mood Chia Pet Growth Serum, which if you haven't watched my past presence feature latest video, I did a review on Manna Mood Edge Control, which I also have it with me, which is, whoa, this beauty right here as well. Wait. Yeah, right there. You thought you wasn't gonna focus, but yeah, I'm gonna be using the edge control as well. One thing I did notice about the edge control is it doesn't stay on your head for if you sweat it, or if it's like super greasy, it won't lock your edges down, but it does do a great job. So using this for a while and also sweating through, you know, the day, it doesn't lock your edges down, but it's really good if you're just, you know, in a cool down environment. But if it's hot outside, I wouldn't really recommend this edge control. I did a review on it saying that it was great, but the more I start to wear it, the more I realize it's not a humid friendly edge control. It's more for like the fall winter type of edge control. So yeah, and then we're gonna also be using the ingredients of the month. We'll be using my Eco Styler gel. Some people have their love and hate about this Eco Styler, the Eco Styler in general. People say, you know, there's bad pros when they wait. Is there pros and cons? Pros are good, cons are bad. So the cons about this, what you told me was, so the cons about this, people say, you know, it's bad for your health, blah, 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 blah. The important things that you need to know, but in my opinion, a lot of things are bad for your health, but we still use them. So my baby right here will always be my baby. We're gonna go to heaven one day, and God will tell us the truth. So as of right now, everything is bad for your health, but we still use them. Oh Jesus, that's not good. Don't be listening to me. But yeah, we're gonna be using this to lay everything down. I forgot one important thing, your brush. Now for my brush, some people might argue with me and say you shouldn't be using this type of brush on your head, but sis, I like my brush like this, okay? This is one of those really hard bristle type of brush, okay? I like my brushes to feel like it's actually doing something. I'm not a fan of like very soft, you know, bristle type of brushes. My brushes gotta come with the effect that it's doing something, okay? If it ain't hurting, it ain't working for me, which is not healthy, because I talk about taking care of your health, your natural hair. For someone who talk about stuff like that, we gotta practice what we preach. But no, seriously, if you're sensitive with like the roughness, then don't use it. But for me, when it gets to this point where like it's a bit, you know, not too hurtful, but it does the job when it's a bit like this, okay? But yeah, make it make sense. I apologize if I don't. I just like my tings the way I like them, you know? But yeah, so let's get this styling. And I can't stop looking at myself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my scalp. So we're going to do the middle. Ooh, this feels good, man. Ooh-wee. I'm going to try this for like a good month and see if it does the job, because I do have a hair growth oil that I live by. And if you know what that is, you know what it is. And just because we got too many adult hair that we've been using. I miss my babies. I need them to come home. They ain't 18 yet, they've already been moving out. But yeah. So we put that in there. Make sure you massage. And another thing that I like to do whenever I apply my oils is I like to apply them at the roots of my hair, just because that's also the oldest part of your hair, and you want that to also, you know, give it that moisture. That's one trick that I would, well, one tip that I would highly recommend you to do is also apply them at the roots of your hair. We're gonna add some volume and use this boosting spray by Suave. This works a lot better if you are trying to silk press your hair, because I did use this as a silk press, as part of my silk press routine. So yeah, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit just because, I don't know, maybe just because I like this product. There's really no reason for me to use this, but I just like the smell. I like my hair to smell good. And that's what it does. It makes your hair smell really good. And now the last part of all of them. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did deep condition, well, not deep condition. My leave-in conditioner, I used the Cantoon Shea Butter, which is this baby right here. I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. I also have something that I've been using, which was a kaleidoscope leave-in conditioner, but it's the spray. I don't have time to be spraying it as of right now on my head, but put a lot of oil. God dang. Alright, cool. We're gonna part it. So the funny thing about parting my hair, I don't like to use this because it's not pointy. I like to use a toothpick, or sometimes a lot more pointier version of this. So I'm gonna use the actual thing, the comb side, and part my hair. But I'm gonna part it looking at the mirror. I can't go outside looking a mess, because I try to help you do your hair. Sometimes I gotta take care of me, okay? Prioritize my me. So I'm gonna use this just to keep, ooh, this is thick. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is a thick scrunchy, I'll tell you that. Wow, cool. So yeah, so for the gel, I know I've shown a lot of gel on this channel, but when it comes to like my grab and go type of gel, I normally use my Eco Styler gel, just because, hey, this hairstyle is not going to be one of those hairstyles that will be on my head for like a good 2 weeks. It's just going to be on my head for like a good 3 days. So for my gel, I'm going to be using this big old tub, because nobody got time to be going back and forth to the beauty supply store. And if you're a natural girl, you know how much gel you have to use on your head. So yeah, this gel was good, $14. And when you add up, the math is mathing. This is how much you spend when you keep going back to replace that medium. Yeah, we don't have time for that. So yeah, I know I showed a lot of gel on this channel, But this hairstyle in particular, I'm using this gel just because I'm not going to have this hairstyle in for like a good 2 weeks or a week and a half. This is just one of those hairstyles that I'm like, okay, I need something to hold me up until let's get another week. So yeah, the Eco Styler gel, the green, this version is by far the best version in my opinion. I feel like it holds everything down and it's here for the girls. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it like this. I was gonna do a cute little something, but I realized for real, if I'm in a rush, we ain't got time for the cute little something. Okay, we don't. So this is really my go-to hairstyle whenever, even if I'm not rushing. This is like, if I want to look put together, this hairstyle is like my go-to hairstyle. And yes, I put a lot of gel, just because for me to be secure is best than to, yeah, it makes sense. You can, if you have very thick hair, yes, you can make your bond, you know, by using your own hair. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. But today, I really love my natural hair, but I also want to add a little boom, 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 je ne sais quoi, you know? I'm using the Lulu Truss Afro Twist, this baby right here. This hair right here is so bomb. I've used it on almost all of my hairstyles, and yeah, when I use it on this hairstyle right here, it makes my hair look so natural, especially if you have kinky curls or kinky hair and you add this onto your look. Promise you it's gonna look so natural. Now, because my hair is wet a little bit, it's gonna, you know, won't blend in as much, but it will blend in eventually. So yeah, so you can do the 2 pigtails if you want, but for me that makes me look a little bit childish. I don't like that look. But for this next look, I'm gonna add more gel on my brush. The more gel, the better, in my opinion. So believe it or not, I actually got tired of talking. The introvertedness in me got tired of talking, and I just started to do my hair quiet. Like, I was like, oh, I'm supposed to be talking to y'all. But yeah, so how I bent over my bun was I stuffed the hair in a bowl, and then I grabbed my hair and I bent it over. And yeah, so basically it was like a big ball. Think of it like a sock. You can actually use a sock for it. But yeah, so if you want your hair to look natural, you can definitely go with kinky hair and grab that hair, scrunch it up in a ball, and then hide it with your hair, if that made sense. Hopefully me showing it makes sense and it explains it better. So yeah, I did the same thing on this side, which was I put the Eco Styler gel, you know, we splack out all over our hair. We used our brush, and then we grab the hair once we, okay, right here. And yeah, so you grab your scrunchie, and you can use a thick scrunchie or not. It all depends on you. But then you get that hair, you get the ball going, you scrunch it up, and then you hide your natural hair over it. So basically that's how I do my puff whenever I want to add volume. Like I said before, if you don't have volume, you can definitely use it like that. You can definitely style it like that, or, you know, make it look like that. And if you do have volume, God bless you. Humble yourself. But yeah, so I went in and I, of course, made sure that everything was laid properly with my toothbrush, and then I did my edges. And yeah, that's basically how I do it. Normally I do my natural hair when I use my natural whenever I do this hairstyle, but today I wanted to add a little boom 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 boom, you know. So yeah, that's the hairstyle. So this is how it looks. I had to leave the bathroom because I had things to do. As far as like the edges, y'all, I have to go and get an actual edge control that does what my edge control does. So I'm gonna go to the store and get my edge booster edge control. That edge control is sis. Okay, so as far as the hairstyle, I hope you enjoyed it. I love how it looks. Normally I have like a little swoosh going on, and when I tied my hair, I tie the part where I normally blend, so I also have to go and blend. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it out yourself. If you have very thick hair, I'm sure you will find it a lot less of a work because you have thick hair. But if you like to add volume into your hair, even if you have thick hair, you can also add volume into your hair. But as for me, I have volume, but it's not like boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not boom, 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 boom type of volume. It's there, but it's not enough. So yeah, adding extra hump into this. Now, don't get me wrong. If you see me on the streets, what? If you see me in the streets and you see this puff, okay, sometimes it's my real hair, sometimes it's not my real hair, okay? Just because we be doing this every once in a while don't mean we do it every day. I just want to put it out there for people to be like, oh, that's not real hair. It be my real hair sometimes. Okay. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoy filming it for you. If you are new, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know down below if you're gonna try it out. As far as everything that I use, I will be sure to leave all my vibes, all the items, all the products, I was gonna say equipment, everything that I use on this style down below in my description box. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.